be unpacking Star Wars The Clone Wars Disney Doorables. First up, we're going to start with this little box. Actually, this little box. We got Darth Vader, and it's glow in the dark. We got Yoda. We got
Leia.
That Luke Skywalker. And we got Obi-Wan's master. Leia. Obi-Wan Kenobi's master. Luke Skywalker. And what's his name? Darth Vader.
And guess what? All of them are glow in the dark.
Yep. And we got Yoda. The most powerful Jedi. Now for this one. We got Jar Jar Binks. He's not glow in the dark. We got Ahsoka Tano.
All of them that he's opening right now that's not blue are not glow in the dark.
We got the bad guy, Darth Maul. We got Hunter. We got Poe Will. We got Captain Rex. We got Omega. We got Baby Yoda. We got Rey. We got first person clone trooper. And we got Mace Windu. We got Boba Fett. I hope you were happy to watch our channel. And we can also put all of these glow in the dark ones on here. Look.
And you could do that with every single one of them.
Yep. Except these.
Yeah, except those ones.
Wait, can you?
Let's find out.
You can!
You can. OMG, you can do it with every Star Wars person. Epic, right?
I hope you enjoyed watching my channel. Like and subscribe right here. And give me a comment